You did your personal best yesterday, and you want to keep reminding yourself of this accomplishment every so often. Enter that into the Click and Go Reminder app with reminders going forward, and watch how brilliant you are going to feel. So, personal best for 5 kilometers. Personal best for 5 kilometers. And we said that was yesterday. And you would like reminders going forward every 5 days. Done. That right there is going to change the game for you, because not only will you receive reminders every 5 days reminding you how awesome you were to do your personal best, but you will also be told with each reminder how long ago it was that you accomplished this. Try it and watch things change for you.